Hello, my materialistic minions. It's me, Beau. Look, I have a wonderful bow tie that I'm wearing. Hence my name, Beau, bow tie. That's branding. If you guys are looking for a bow tie that kind of distinguishes you, sets you apart, consider the Blackboard bow tie, especially if you are an instructor or a teacher and you want to decorate it. I mean, not necessarily that you still use blackboards. You probably have one of those smart boards or even just a whiteboard right now. But I just wanted to show you what I like about this bow tie. Now you will notice that there is like this little hook right here, which does take some getting used to. It's not my favorite, these little hook type guys. But it is easy to adjust. It's very stretchy like so. And so it's rather comfortable. And you're like, wow, why is there a little chalk on there? Well, I wanted to demonstrate for you, if in fact it's Christmas time, you can make it your Christmas bow by just getting some chalk and going on there. Plus, if you were to wet, like your thumb, for example, it smears right off like so. That's kind of gross, sorry. But anyway, yeah, you can easily clear off the whole thing and get some chalk. Whether this is just a regular piece of chalk, you can get some of the chalk markers on Amazon as well and really decorate it up if you'd like. So it's about this thick. As you can see, it's got twine around the back, at least on this particular model. Very lightweight, it looks fantastic, and that's it. Very simple. And if you're looking forward to this, there is a product link in the description, and hopefully it points you to the right Amazon listing. I hope that this is helpful in determining whether or not this bow tie is right for you. 5 out of 5 stars in my own humble bearded opinion, unsolicited. My name is Beau, and I look forward to testing, reviewing, and demonstrating more fun things, especially this sheet metal bow tie. Oh, but that's another video here on Amazon.com.